Rensing Bay ex-executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council called for a press conference on Wednesday. Third IRBN from Mizoram distributes essentials among needy. Mani bandit Sagar Guwala injured by a bullet after trying to evade from police custody. Good morning viewers, I on behalf of Karbi Anglong Live wishes you all the gift of love, the gift of peace, the gift of happiness. May all that is beautiful, meaningful and brings you joy be your these holiday seasons and throughout the coming years. Wishing you all a joyous Christmas to you, your family and dear ones. And now let's look into the news in details. On 20th of December, Rensing Bay ex-executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council called for a press conference at Kheroni Farm IB, where Karbi Anglong over the autonomy of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council with regards to an MOU signed in the year 1995. Rensing Bay ex-executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, while briefing the media, said all the powers and autonomy of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had been included in the 1995 MOU. Interestingly, all the provisions made under the MOU is not properly implemented, hence indirectly making an encroachment in the executive powers of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council by the state government. Therefore, Rensing Bay ex-executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council registered an PIL case number 70/2022 against it at the Guwahati High Court, as this is illegal and violations of the Indian Constitution. Rensing Bay also informed that a so-called notice had already been notified to the state and central government from Guwahati High Court to restore the executive powers and autonomy as per the agreement cited in MOU. Guwahati High Court summoned state and the central government on 19 January 2023.
1971 চনত অসম চৰকাৰে এখন অফিচ মেমৰেণ্ডাম উলিয়াইছিলে য'ত কিছু পৰিমাণৰ এক্সিকিউটিভ পাৱাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলক প্ৰদান কৰিছিল। সেইটো পৰ্যাপ্ত নহয় বুলি 1979 চনত পুনৰ আৰু এখন অফিচ মেমৰেণ্ডাম উলিয়ালে, যাৰ জৰিয়তে এক্সিকিউটিভ ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰ পৰ্যায়ৰ যিখিনি আঁচনি আছে, যিখিনি কাম কাজ আছে, সেইবিলাক ৰূপায়ণ কৰাৰ অধিকাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলক প্ৰদান কৰিছিল।
Mohan Teron's report from Kheroni for Karbi Anglong Live. The third IRBN from Mizoram, currently posted in different parts of Assam, had been lending a helpful hand to the poor and needy on the occasions of Christmas 2022. On 21st of December, continuing its humanitarian effort, the D Company of the third IRBN, currently posted in Assam Nogong district, distributed blankets to over 200 families at Utmari Samguri area with an estimated worth of rupees 50,000, and also distributed financial assistance to 36 poor families in Marigaon and Nogong area on 20th of December. It was reported that the D Company of the third IRBN, currently posted in Assam Nogong district, had been working rigorously to restore faith in humanity since the nationwide lockdown periods, that is 14th of April 2020, and is unceasingly continuing its effort till date. More than 500 families, irrespective of caste, creed or religion, had benefited from their service during the crucial days of their life. The company had voluntarily spent more than rupees 3 lakhs in helping the needy. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 20th of December, money bandits made an attempt to steal money from Raju Rongpar's car park in front of the State Bank of India, Diphu. But their mission was failed due to the warm-hearted pedestrians who witnessed the act, vigilantly alarmed the citizens and intercepted their escape, successfully nabbed one of the members of the money bandits and handed him over to the police. On 20th of December, a robbery incident took place near SBI Diphu branch along the roadside of Diphu Lamding Road, falling under the jurisdiction of Diphu Police Station. But due to the citizens' consciousness, the witness of the act alarmed the owner of the car as well as the concerned citizens' presence at the area, which consequently intercepted their run. nap, and finally handed him over the police. The owner of the car was identified as Raju Rongphar, resident of Okereng, Hauraghat. Raju Rongphar, while briefing the media, informed that he came to Depot to withdraw a contract bill amount of rupees 22 lakhs in total. After withdrawing the money, he went to his vehicles and saw his tires were punctured. He then went outside to fix his tires, keeping the money unattended. Then unidentified individual stole the bag containing all the money from the car. He was then informed by some pedestrians about the incidents with suspicions of robbery. He then checked his car and found the bag missing, then saw a man trying to evade with the bag. He shouted for help, and that's when citizens present at region intercepted and finally nabbed him.
He মোৰ গাড়ীটো এনেকা ঘুমাই পেলাই পইচাটো লৈ লৈছে মইতো দেখি পোৱা নাই তেখেতক তাৰপিছত দূৰৰ পৰা এজন মানুহে মানে মোৰ গাড়ীতে ঘুমাই পেলাই কিবা টোপোলা লোৱা দেখিছে বোলে তাৰপিছত এই দোষ বোলে আপোনাৰ পইচা লৈছে নেকি চুৰ তেখেতে কৈছে আৰু তাৰপিছত মই পটকে চাই পেলাই মোৰ পইচা মানে গাড়ীতে পইচা আছে নে নাই বোলে এটা চালু পইচা নাই তাৰপিছত মানুহজন সেই দৌৰি আছে মই তাৰপিছত দৌৰি একদম চিঙৰি আছো এই চুৰ হয় বুলি তাৰপিছত এই ডিসি অফিস লৈ 100 মিটাৰছ মান বেছি হৈ গল নেকি
Likewise, Sanjeev Kumar Saikia, Superintendent of Police, Karbi Anglong, also called for a press conference on 21st of December regarding the incidents. During the press conference, it was informed that a confidential information was received regarding the presence of money, bandit, and possible occurrence of robbery within the state. Hence, acting upon the information, Assam Police vigilantly launched an operations to apprehend all the money bandits. One of the bandits apprehended at Depot on 20th of December was identified as Sagar Guwala.
Gusor Jukurse Depot PS case number 129/22 under section 120B 392 IPC. আৰু আমি তদন্তৰ কালত গম পোৱা গ'ল যে তেখেতসকলে আহি মাজে মাজে ডিপুৰ বিভিন্ন জেগাত লামডিঙত ষ্টেচনত নামে আৰু ডিপুত কেতিয়াবা লামডিং ৰোডত বা বৰলংভাৰ এনেকুৱা জেগাত ক'ৰবাত জংগলত সৰু কেম্প চেম্প পাতি পেলাই থাকে
During interrogations, Sagar Guwala revealed several information regarding their gang and hideout camps. Therefore, police department instantly went to investigate as per the information he produced. It was then police were compelled to shoot at his legs as he was trying to escape from the custody during a ground investigation.
নিউ জলপাইগুৰিৰ পৰা তেওঁ কেতিয়া আহিছে ডেফিনিট ইনফৰমেশ্যন দিয়া নাই তেওঁ কৈছে যে আহি পেলাই লামডিং ষ্টেচনত আমি নামো আৰু আহি আমি ওচৰে পাজৰে ক'ৰবাত য'তে সুবিধা পাওঁ তাতে থাকোঁ জংগলৰ মাজত এখন পলিথিন টানি লৈ পেলাই তেনেকৈ থাকি দিয়ে আৰু যেতিয়া সুবিধা পায় দিনত আহি পেলাই ৰেকি কৰে চায় তাৰপিছত সুবিধা পালে তেওঁ কৰিব বুলি তেওঁলোকে ভাবি আছিলে
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.